Alright guys, in the previous video we have discussed about the black box, like taking ideas and targeting a specific niche, and now stepwise we'll be discussing more and more ideas from where you can get ideas for the products, and some products like you will find in the Amazon that will really be the winning product that you can say they will be gold mine, but you need to get those ideas from somewhere. So let's start discussing about getting ideas for product hunting. So as we have before used black box, we can use magnet tool, which is basically a keyword research tool. Right here what the Helium 10 is saying, it's a keyword research, enter a seed keyword and in an instant magnet will pull in the best. So let's check it how it works. Okay guys, so here we are in the magnet tool of Helium 10. So you can see here it's a search bar. We can put any of the keyword here now, any generic keyword, like you can use any generic keyword. Okay, any generic keyword, like I will type here art, okay, and I will get the keywords related to art, okay, and then we can check and get the ideas for different products. It sometimes take time because of the internet connection or some of the tools problem, but it will give results in some time. So magnet tool has given us the results after we have searched for the product, the keyword, the seed keyword art. Now to filter these results, it is giving us so many options. We can filter our result according to our criteria, and just this tool will leave for us those keywords which are according to our criteria. So we can fill out this criteria as we have filled before in the black box tool, and then we can check and analyze these keywords. Okay, we can check the search volume from here directly, and we'll be discussing this magnet tool later on as well for keyword research. But for now, it's the purpose of this topic, and it was that you can get ideas from magnet as well. You can just sort the search volume from high to low, and yeah, so they are now sorted. So 2022 calendar, and this is having so much high search volume. Pencil case, 91,000 search volume. So we can get ideas from here. You can see the competing products are 1,000, and if you will put the criteria, fill up the filters here which are given, so this tool will like automatically they will filter out the result as per our criteria, and then you can easily take out the idea of winning product, and then further you can analyze it.